girls, good morning, buenos dias. Now that you are at home, we were thinking that there are things that you can do at home to keep yourself busy and also to help your mom. So today I'm going to kind of guide you how to make some crepes. They are really good and really easy to make, okay? Let's start with the ingredients. We have 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, half a glass of water, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of vanilla, quarter of butter, mantequilla, and then we have the flour. So I will put everything here in the blender and then we will start making the crepes. Okay, now that you have the mix here, you put it in the blender. I will show you 2 ways to do it. You can use this, which helps me a lot. So just do like a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. And the other way, if you don't have that thing to do that, you can do it here. And you just spread it there. You leave it, and then you wait, okay? Now we will flip this one. And then I will get a spoon. Put the Nutella. You can put whatever you want. You can put cheese and ham, and it's really good with cheese and ham. You can put bananas, whatever you have, strawberries, anything will work. So once you spread the Nutella, you just fold it, and you have a delicious breakfast. I hope you like it. Try it at home. Send us your videos. If you make them, we would like to know how was it. Thank you.